Good morning. We are here with George Vancraeynest uit Klerken, West Flanders. George played the first National Agen, Old Birds, National and normally International of more than 30,000 pigeons. National 14,000 pigeons. It's the fastest bird of all, with a velocity of 1,353 meters on a distance of 801 kilometers. It was a normal flight, a very nice flight, and the 3-year-old cock of George was the first of the whole crew. It's a middle-sized blue cock with a very good wing, well built and with a very strong eye. In de vleugel. Nu nog een keer zijn kop, zijn bek vasthouden. The origin of the pigeon is from father's side Jellema cock, 100% Jellema. Mother's side Jellema. And father's side Freddy de Ketelare uit Eke. He has strong, heavy distance origin. Congratulations to George.